Hey everyone, welcome to DevDiariesWithVee. So today I am going to show you how to leverage the Cursor AI in your development. So whether you are beginner or curious about how AI powered development work, then this video is for you. You will get a step-by-step tutorial guide in this video. So let's get started. Before starting, let me tell you what is Cursor AI. So Cursor AI is a powerful AI code editor, same like a VS Code, which will help you to write and debug your code faster. So today we will create one small Flutter application to demonstrate how Cursor AI will work. So first we have to download the Cursor AI from its official website, and you have to do a login also here. And after downloading, the editor will look something like this. So as you can see, all the UI look and feel is similar to VS Code, and I can use all my shortcut also here. Let's create a new Flutter project. Control Shift plus P. Let's create one new project. Let's name it Cursor Demo. Okay, so this is our default Flutter template, main.dart page. Now, okay, let me just remove this, my app and my home page. And you can see if I press the Control plus K, then I can write whatever command to generate the code, right? So let's do it. Let me just write, create a simple guess the number game with all required UI and logics, and see how it generates the entire code for me. Entire application code is generated. Okay, so here we have a two option, control plus accept and control plus reject. So let me just accept it. Okay. So we have to made a minor few adjustment. Let me do it. Oh, okay, I didn't have to remove that. I just have to put dot.math above. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now it's showing me error here that headline 6 is deprecated. It can't be used. Okay. So let me just do control plus hover. Okay. So it's showing me, if I click on this AI fix in the chat, then it will show me it will show me how to fix this error. So let me just replace the title large here. And here also I can do the same. Let me just click on AI fix in chat. Okay, let me see what it's giving as a fix. Okay, so here I have to replace with title medium. So let me just do it. And yeah, I have some settings also. If I press the control plus S, then it will fix all the warnings and everything. So let me just do it and run this application. Okay, I can directly run it from here only. I will run in the Chrome as of now. So let's see the output, how it looks. Okay. You can see the entire logic. Yeah. You can see it is not maintaining the state management right now. Everything is done by the set state. But yeah, that is fine. I didn't write a single code and it's giving me the entire code structure. So yeah, we can see the output. It's pretty good, right? Without writing a single line of code, I'm getting the app ready. This is something amazing. Okay, so let's play this game. Let me just do the number here. Okay, 50, no. Okay, 60, too low. Okay, 70, okay, too low. Let's say 90, too high. Okay, so it should be between 80, 86, too high. Okay, let me try with 81. No luck. Let's try 77. Still too low. 79. Too low. Okay, it should be 80. Finally, after 9 attempts. Okay, it's pretty amazing. Nice. Okay, we have a reset game button option also. So it will again start with the 0. That's something amazing. So let's customize it more, right? We have one shortcut, Control plus L, which will allow you to chat between your code and AI. Let's customize it some. So let me just write, can you change the theming of this text field? It's processing. Oh, it added all the decoration, label style, everything. Let's run it and see the output. Nice. It changed the theming of the text field. So let's chat with our code base. Let me ask, what is dependency injection in Flutter? It's giving the entire theory. Plus example is as well with code. So now you don't have to go to the ChatGPT website and ask your doubt. You can do everything inside your one IDE code editor only. And it also provides the different model of AI. You can like switch between them also. Let me just ask some question related to my code base. Can you find logic for reset button click? Okay, processing. Nice. If I click on this function, it will directly navigate me to that particular area of the code as well. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's it for the today's video. Try it out today and let me know which apps you build using the Cursor AI in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech content.